Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Do you have self-checkout?
Yes, over there near the exit.
Do you have self-checkout?
Yes, over there near the exit.
Can I get a receipt, please?
Absolutely. Here you go.
Can I get a receipt, please?
Absolutely. Here you go.
Do you accept coupons?
Yes, just hand them to the cashier.
Do you accept coupons?
Yes, just hand them to the cashier.
Can I return something if it's damaged?
Yes, within 7 days with the receipt.
Can I return something if it's damaged?
Yes, within 7 days with the receipt.
Do you charge for bags?
Yes, 10 cents per bag.
Do you charge for bags?
Yes, 10 cents per bag.
Can I get cash back?
Yes, just let the cashier know the amount.
Can I get cash back?
Yes, just let the cashier know the amount.
Is this the express line?
Yes, for 10 items or fewer.
Is this the express line?
Yes, for 10 items or fewer.
Can I split the payment?
Sure, we can do part cash, part card.
Can I split the payment?
Sure, we can do part cash, part card.
Do you offer gift cards?
Yes, you can buy them at the service desk.
Do you offer gift cards?
Yes, you can buy them at the service desk.